This 5-minute solution will show you how to move Steam game to another drive. It's really very easy process to move games to another drive. Just follow me to do it. Launch your Steam and click on Steam menu. Click on settings and click on storage. And here you will get all of your installed games. And here you will get your drive. To move any game to another drive, first of all, you have to add the drive first. So click on the drive drop down. Currently I'm using C drive to install my game. So I'm clicking on add drive. And here select the drive where you want to move your games. Click on add. And as you can see, my local drive E has been successfully added to my Steam. And it's time to transfer my games to this drive from C drive. To do that, I'm going to clicking on this select box next to the game I want to transfer and clicking on move, and click on this drive drop down and select the drive where you want to transfer and click on move, and your game will be moved to the drive. This is how we can transfer a game to another drive. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.